Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So, here is a video that I made on TikTok regarding Utando Nestembu. Please do tell me what you think. Do I have other points right? Do I have other points wrong? Also, remember, we are not emotional. This is just us talking about what we are being presented with. We may not know the deeper things that are happening in the families. So when you respond, please do not respond like a minim seleku. Thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe.
So guys, Bazalwan, this campetha Gaizol Mam Khumalo is one of the faves, right? But like, let's talk about Utando Nestembu. And just pass me here. Why was Uma Khumalo acting today? Like, Uke was acting for me properly. Hey, agezanga gimi, angingeni ndawo. How? Since when are you like that? Because you are the most understanding wife as much as we know you. Wena watsang and hauna taba, like awungeni ndawo lapho. As long as you are not made the reason why another woman is coming in. As long as nobody says no because Uma Khumalo has not had any child as yet and therefore I want to expand before I pass. Like, guys, I was properly confused Gama Khumalo today. Like, her behavior was like, no, ngicela explaineleni hwirahalang ka mogel because ke lost, like I'm lost for words. Makhumalo is the one that supports Mseleku. Makhumalo ke yena tsebang hore Mseleku na le zenqantsa. Makhumalo ke yena understanding all that. Now all of a sudden Makhumalo ha sa tlhalohanya se le roboto or strategy sa kheno musa Mseleku. I don't get it. Like, her part bored me. I thought she was going to be more interactive, more bubbly as we know her, but nonetheless. Then kuba umangwabe ne. Bazalwan, I don't know. I've got a problem with umangwabe ne. And my problem with her is the fact that she keeps on saying ketlo, 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 ketlo. Wait to apara pine one helapisa yang. Gizohamba, gizohamba, gizohamba. Why angahambi bazalwane? Why angazithuli lo mthwalo lo aziphe wona ngoba like kunema threats 100%. Now one, when Musa was calling her, she should have been left gone and said, oh, now by the way, I'm no longer at Umzumbe because I did tell you Guti, you dare introduce somebody else as your wife, then it's gonna be a problem. Because as girlfriends, they know ukuthi Musa una izancinza. Zancinza or kidding. That they know. The only thing about saying kube nalo oba official, right? And sa khona usamge asinankinga naloko asingeni lapho. Why ugel aqule ingoma engapheli? Anikhathali nina, like really, if it was for me ngabe bayammuta bambekele singamuzwa until such a time ahamba sizokwazi ukuba excited about Ngizo. I know she's your favorite, mara it's she's exhausting. Oh, that part is exhausting. I don't want to lie. She must just leave and get it over and done with because really, if that's her storyline in this reality show, no, they must change her storyline. And then, my burning issue, which all of you are going to hate me for, is this thing, Mayeni, right? Mayeni for me, personally, I see her as the most matured wife in a sense that she's able to think about something and put it in a situation where it does not necessarily reflect on her, but we are analyzer. I don't know if I can put it like that, right? And right now she's saying, okay, number 3, number 5, there's no problem. But it looks like she's got a problem, right? And I'm talking based on the fact yoguti ugrow manje sekakhuluma ngamakhabethe aphukayo nan. And when you are standing from the outside looking in, considering ukuthi ugirl is working, is employed, you are thinking ukuthi it might be true ukuthi Makhumalo uyabasupport. Because when you look at Makhumalo's house, guys, it's stunning. And we know ukuthi ugirl is doing it for herself. We know ukuthi Umseleku ain't chipping a cent. Because Umseleku ngisho makabathengela amasofa mele bathengele abasofa bonke bajabule makabathengela ama TV mele bathengela ama TV bonke. So njengoba kuphuka amakhabethe kaMayeni mangathi Umseleku uyothatha icontract manje yokuthi kulungiswe ikitchen la kaMayeni le renovate noma cela uzoba nenkinga yekhishi. Makhumalo okay Makhumalo akahluphi ke uma ngwabe naye benenkinga yekhishi. Do you get? But I'm thinking ukuthi the storyline might be true ukuthi uMakhumalo uyi vice breadwinner laphayana, right? And another thing that showed ukuthi uMakhumalo is stretching herself and doing more, and that could be why the other wives do not like her, is that uGirl is the one that pays insurances for all the cars zakamSasemzumbe. Hey, uGirl is the one that is paying insurances, because umseleku uthe if they need to go angazi mele kwenzakaleni, but i-insurance ibhadala uGirl, and umuntu akafuna ukubuza, umuntu eniwara nje ngokuthi uthela ipetrol, that's it. Basari bamsele kuba namna, that's why basatha mayo it. Mina was asking myself, abantu laba bangahambi every day bahafaka gear 1 but imoto ayimovie, gear 1 but imoto ayimovie, reverse but imoto ayimovie. But I'm honestly disappointed on Umayeni for bringing out amakhabeti nan because you cannot say ulobolile, you were able to budget for ilobola, but indlami iyamosheka. Uguy unezi yancinza, unale side chicks a million. Clearly he's spending money on other girls and he never worried about your cupboards. So like, now why is it an issue when Usamke is in? I don't get it. Maybe nani ngichazele when it comes to Isthembu. Akela tseba gore indoda izosho vision yayo ukuthi ngifuna abantwana abayi 20. So if the kids are not there to 20, you know ukuthi by default somebody else is coming. I don't know, but Umayeni disappointed me on this one. Makhumalo disappointed me on this one, and then Uma Ngwabe, I feel ukuthi they're giving her a wrong script. Ngizohamba. And we all know that the guy that they posted ukuthi wakamagwabe akahloba nomagwabe akajoli nomagwabe, maybe cousin or whatever, but they're not in a relationship. Ngizongibamba ngesandla uhleli uGellings, uhleli. Over and above, I think personally, I don't know, I think personally uSibindi is a celebrity by now, whether we like it or not, right? And I believe ukuthi njengomaweni, if uSibindi was true ukuthi lento ayenzile yenzakele, it should be trending. Number one, we should be seeing Usbindi in prison or being detained or something, like some spots of evidence ukuthi kamba something. But where I'm seated, guys, I think it's clickbait. They want us to watch Thando Nesthembu or something, because something just doesn't add up when it comes to the story Sibindi. This alleged story Sibindi, I don't know, man, or maybe it's low, but something just doesn't add up. Something doesn't make sense. Not a glimpse of a guy being detained. And they say, "What's the point? Pap, keeper is like." I'm sure there's a female police woman who with a camera there who cannot wait. And among it, siyawazi amaphoyisa yapha. Angisho uDr Matthew ukhulumile ukuthi belimfonela ilanga lonke lasebusuku iphoyisa. I don't know, but guys, uThando Nesthembu, ngitlapelehile hore